How to cancel Crunchyroll subscription. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel the subscription that you have on Crunchyroll. Now, I'm going to be using Google Chrome for the moment, but on your end, you can definitely use your preferred one. So from here, make sure that you're already logged in. So this is going to be your interface if you're going to be using the web version of Crunchyroll. At the upper right, you should see this drop-down menu. Just simply click that and then scroll down and then go to settings. Now from the settings tab, scroll down once again and then go into membership info. So under membership information, this is basically where your current subscription will show up. There's actually two things under membership info, and you could also try to go into billing history. Once you're on billing history, Crunchyroll will be providing you figures on what is the current state that you have on the subscription status on Crunchyroll. And from there, you should also be seeing a cancellation button or cancellation option. If you click that, you just have to confirm it so that it will be canceled successfully. And that's it. That's how you cancel Crunchyroll subscription.